What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. So very excited for the monthly recap, right? So we're just gonna go through how we did on the month, um, whether we made money or not, how things are going, what I'm looking to do in October overall, right? Um, if you guys have been following my channel, you've seen some of the progress and things like that that's been going on from funded accounts, blowing accounts, option trading, all that good stuff. So just basically gonna go through, how the month went, what I'm looking to do this next month coming up, where the accounts currently stand, and just some overall updates on how things are going. So we're gonna go ahead. First, we're gonna jump into our monthly profit sheet that we and we're gonna break that down. Then we're gonna go into our express funded accounts where we are, and lastly, maybe some of my option stuff. We'll go through that too. So we'll go ahead and just jump on the Miro charts here. All right, September. So September was probably one of my best months trading so far this year, right? And let's zoom in on this so you guys can see pretty well. Okay, so this is September, right? Where we're currently sitting. So I spent $100 on a combine. That's the only expense that I really spent this month, right? And that was one of my newest 100K combines, which I'll update you guys on that one towards the end of the video, right? Total expenses right now 100. Then I deposited from taking a payout. I deposited a 500 onto my options trading account and traded with that. And if you guys watched my last video, you'll see the result of that, right? But you'll see it right on here. So payouts overall. So from Top Steps, I had two payouts this month. One was for $1,100, and another one was for $22,111, right? So from Top Step alone, I made about $3,200. I don't know how to do math. So Top Step alone, I took out about $3,200, right? And then that options trading account, right? So remember, I put in 500. I made about 15 to 1800 bucks on some Baba calls last week, and I took out 1,040 out of that, right? So 1,040, I left about, I don't remember exactly. I think it was like 600, 700 bucks, which I'm still trading with today on the options account, but took out 1,000, and then so we'll subtract that initial 500 deposit, right? Right back on. Actually, we have to add that overall. So let's see. So let me just make sure here I'm not getting the math really wrong. 1,100 plus 21 1 plus 4,251 total deposit minus 500. Okay, I'm right. So total profit this month, unrealized is about 6,300. That was overall in the accounts, right? Remember with Top Step, you can only take 50% of your account at a time. So we were sitting at about 6,300 with my three funded accounts together, right? Total profit, what we were paid out for the month on trading overall, right? $3,751. That's what we took home in our bank account, in our pockets, right? Really good, almost at that goal. You guys know that my goal is 5K months, so to really get things rolling, and then we'll start gradually going from there, right? Everything you got to take it slowly, right? I haven't seen a 5K month yet, so there's no need, that's my goal for now until we start seeing 10K a month and then 15K, 20K a month, things like that, right? So and just we're just gonna keep growing. So that's where we are for September. Overall, 3,751 bucks. Really proud of my trading overall, but September is done. It's October 1st now. And it's time to lock in, Q4. It's really time to step up and gradually, and grow. Some of these accounts, get some nice payouts, things like that. Finish the year strong, right? And really show some results to all my hard work for the year overall. So that's kind of where we're sitting now. We're gonna jump into the Top Step X account and show you guys where we currently are. All right, so we're on here on the XFA. This is the 100K, right? So basically, these past few weeks have been very, very rough for my trading, and all the accounts are almost gone, right? They got a little bit left in them, but you can see like the past few, like it's been horrible. These few days and things like that, it's been horrible. And yeah, these accounts are basically on their last legs. Really, 183 bucks on there. But that's completely fine. This was the worst, making that comeback and then giving it all back, and that's fine. You'll see some big losing days on here, which we try to stay away from. But a lot of change are going to come from this, right? And again, losing accounts is just part of the game, right? We wish we didn't lose them, but it's okay. Like if it happens, it's okay. You do have to learn from them though, from those mistakes, and do better next time, right? And this is the perfect time to really, you know, not to say start over, but really get grinding again, right? And close out Q4 strong and stuff, right? Don't think that you're going to get these accounts and hold them forever. Like it's, you know, things happen. So just be mindful of that and understanding. And when it does happen, don't let it get you all down, right? And just keep pushing forward, get to that next account, things like that. So with that in mind, I was like, I can either keep on grinding these trading two micros and try to get them back, which I will. Like I'll keep these, and because there's no monthly fees on them, and see if I could get them somehow, maybe with one micro, get these out of back up to a nice low cushion, right? But for now, I'm like, okay, I might as well just activate a few more. I can few more combines and add some 100Ks, right? So we're gonna do 100Ks from now on. I did remember I spent that $100 on another 100K combine, and I did that this week and was able to pass that today. And I passed this 100K in just 2 days, right? You'll see on here lots of trades today, but because it was hard for me to figure out that price action. But yesterday, just 12 trades, 3K, 21 trades, 3K, and yeah, to just pass this account, adding another 100K to my funding. So very excited about that. So gonna grind that out, get a payout on there, a nice little payout, and just keep grinding. So my goals going forward for October is really adding 2 to 3 more 100Ks, grind those out. We're not gonna copy trade them. We're gonna trade them individually. And I'm still working on my strategy and things like that. So I'm trying out different things. If they work, I'm trying out the bigger size. I'm trying out the smaller size. We'll see what works and things like that, and then we'll go from there into really go pushing us into next year, or overall trading. But yeah, that's where we are so far. Lastly, I am in some banger Baba calls, and they are printing. We're up about 204 bucks, 71% today. Alone, we had 188% return on these Bible calls. So we're in one Bible call right now. Um, I bought on Monday yesterday, and yeah, it's looking good. I think Baba is going to 120 um, this week. That's my target for Baba, 120, and then beyond is 125. That's that weekly target and stuff. But I'm in Baba and I'm in some Baidu calls. I'm targeting 115. I got some 114 calls. They're already printing pretty nicely. I caught them when they were like down here. And yeah, just gonna keep adding, take some withdrawals on those to start off the month nice and strong. And then we'll update the sheet and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's kind of where we stand going forward. Really gonna keep adding more accounts, grinding them out a little bit bigger size, and just keep going. Pulling some money out from Top Step and just moving on forward with trading overall. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really appreciate you guys and the support. We're at 900 subs, almost at that 1,000 subscriber mode here. Very exciting. It's actually insane to me. But yeah, that's where we are. Just an update on the overall month, and we're gonna go ahead and try to start October strong and just keep on pushing forward. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Peace.